Well, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. I'm Angela Bliss with Angela Bliss Art. I'm so glad you're here. I'm going to make some wooden flat ornaments. They're absolutely beautiful. Never done this type of ornament before, so if you're looking for something different, it's really quite unique and it's very fun and very inexpensive the way I did it. So I ordered these little wooden disc ornaments, and I primed them with some primer, spray primer I've had, and I sprayed both sides, just a couple of coats, and I have used, I've used Hooker's Green and some Bordeaux Red. I've got 2 of each. I gave 4 of them to my daughter-in-law and my son for their tree. Just got back from their house, but I used some diamond dust and all kinds of cool little, I've got some fake ice here, glitter, little bubbles, plastic bubbles, really, really cool things. So please stay tuned, and I'm going to get you down and we're going to get busy and try to work this out. Thanks for being here. Hello everyone, it's Angela Bliss with Angela Bliss Art. I am doing little wooden ornaments today, and we're going to put some resin on them and do like a kind of inspired geode pattern across the top with some fake ice cubes. I've got some resin here and I've mixed a little bit of diamond dust in it, which probably just going to sink to the bottom, but we're just going to go over and add it in here. I painted the, we'll go up and down with this one then. I painted it, I primed it, and then I just painted it with some Hooker Green Atelier acrylic paint. Just kind of dabbed it on it. Oh, you can't see me, I'm sorry. And I'm just going to lay some resin in here. You see that? I'm just laying resin across in a pattern, trying to get it before it all dries. There. Now, these are about a quarter of an inch big. You can see that? And they just came in a bag. I got some bigger ones too that I tried, but they were a little too big. So I'm just going to place these on top of this resin, like so. That way they'll stick to it. There. Whip that seal up a little bit. Maybe this one will go right here on the edge. There. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of gold glitter to this. It's a little shaker. It's pretty fine glitter. It may show up. I think it will. So I'm just going to come in the edge of this, and I'm going to get me a little cup. That way I'm not dabbing into it too much. Go around the edges so that gold shows up. Same thing with this side. Look at that. It's pretty. So now I'm going to take a acrylic paint marker, and I'm going to like draw some little lines before I put the rest of the resin on top. So that. It's cute. So now I'm just going to add some resin on the outsides of this. Really thin layer. That is super cute. Super, super cute. So now I'm going to torch it. Just get the bubbles out. And I'm going to let it sit and dry. Hopefully it dries well. Oh, it's super cute though. Come back in here with something like really small and keep messing with that so that we can make sure that it doesn't fill that hole. But and then I think once it dries, we're going to kind of lay some stuff on top here. So okay guys, I've let this sit for about an hour, I think, or two, about an hour probably. So now we're just going to add some bling to it. I'm going to add some of these little gold nuggets. I think I'm going to add them to the bottom. Now I'll shake off what doesn't adhere in the resin. Absolutely pretty. I think I got these off of Amazon. I don't remember what brand they were, but they're just little gold nuggies. I'm going to use some of the diamond dust here. I'm just going to kind of lay it in a little bit, build it up a little, and then I'm going to use this UV resin, just kind of wet it a little bit on top. If I open it, it might work. Oh, if I take the lid off, it might work. There we go. There we go. Now, take a little bit more of that. Sprinkle on top. Then I'm going to take some little, they're like little iridescent beads I got off of Temu. Just going to give it a little bling bling. It should hold in place. Give it another little, in a minute. I'm going to take this gold glitter. It's very fine. I got it off of Amazon. And I'm just going to like dip my stick in it. So it has a little bit on it. I'm just going to dust it on there. Like that. That's all I want. And I have these little bubbles. They're little light green bubbles I got from Temu as well. And I'm just going to add them on the top. I'm not going to use a lot of them, so I'm just going to add them like that. I love this. So pretty. I think I'm done. Let me put a little bit more UV resin on there. That. And a little bit more of this. There. Oh, it's so pretty. All right. I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up here in just a second. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other ones on the other side of the table. Can't wait for them to dry. The backs are just painted. I don't know if I'm going to do anything to them this year. I may do something next year, but these are absolutely gorgeous. I just wanted a way for you guys to use these little wood discs, little wood ornaments that you can purchase off of Amazon. I think you get like 60 for $10, and that's what I used. So I will get you guys down for a close-up. Stay tuned. Okay, everyone, so now I am going to just use my little UV light here and make sure this resin is hardened that I placed on the top of the UV resin. So give me a second and I will get plugged in. I'm going to do this for all 4 of these. I've got 2 red ones and 2 green ones. We've been working on the green one. It's going to set it to 90 seconds and then we'll just move it over to the next one. And the next one, and the next one. Okay. So let's look at this one. This is the one we're working on. Super pretty. Excuse my voice. So I'm going to show you the back. The back's not quite finished yet. I think I'm going to just put a layer of UV resin on the back. So I'm going to do that now. I think I'm going to write on the back actually with a marker. So let's do that. Let me find a cup. And this is just a painter's marker, gold, that I got from Walmart. All right, let's see. So now we're going to put some resin on the back of this. This is just UV resin. Just a little bit, just a thin layer on the back. Okay, I'm going to torch that, and let's UV light it. Yeah, it's cured. So that's the back, and it's the front. I'm going to probably do the edge here and this gold. Let me get this done and I'll bring it back to you so that you can see it. And that's a wrap. Looks like my camera was turned off because I lost some video, so I'm sorry about that, guys. These ornaments are so beautiful. I just love them. I'm glad I could show this to you and share them with you this holiday season. I appreciate all of you coming back to watch. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them for me to answer. I love hearing from you guys, and I hope to bring you another video soon of ornaments or something a little different. You can also check out this playlist that I'm going to leave right here at the end. It has all of my ornament tutorials in it. Thanks for being here. I will talk to you guys soon. Happy holidays.